competition show is coming to Love Nature, and the name of it is...
Battle of the Sexes.
Sorry, not you guys.
Battle of the Sexes.
The male great white shark or the female.
We've designed 3 experiments
This has never been tested.
to investigate the fiercest predator on this planet.
A rivalry as old as time just got teeth. Boss Shark, Battle of the Sexes. On Love Nature. We all deserve love, support, and connection, regardless of species.
That is the soft spot.
Our animal friends give us a sense of belonging.
Biggest relationship of my life, I guess.
Celebrating our achievements and supporting us through our challenges.
It's like peace on earth with these animals.
Proving that life is better together. My Best Friends in Animals. Season premiere, 6th June at 8 on Love Nature. Step outside your world and wander into theirs. Breathtaking stories from every corner of the planet. Embrace the untamed. Love Nature. We do more than showcase incredible wildlife. Oh my God. We protect it with Love Nature Gives Back. Our initiative to raise donations and awareness for our most threatened species.
I'm joining a team of scientists on a groundbreaking jaguar research project like nowhere else.
The donations will make a huge difference for the animals whom we are trying to help.
Give back to the animals you love at lovenaturegivesback.com.
Animals have taken to the air in ways we can only dream of. Meet the remarkable animals with the ultimate superpower.
The ocean has many moods. Fierce. Relaxed. In your ocean. Mysterious. Adventurous. And quiet. See all sides of the ocean on World Oceans Week. Starts 8th June on Love Nature.
Lions. The ultimate symbols of power and pride. But behind the cool, calm exterior lies a world of complex family dynamics. Every lion must bow to its place in the hierarchy and live or die by pride rules.
In a fragment of forest in southern Madagascar, 2 troops of ring-tailed lemurs are locked in a rivalry over land.